Hey guys, this is Peter, and I'm always working in the background on the next video for you, and this time I think I got a great one for you. I read all of your comments, and I understand from a lot of people that they like T-Mobile Home Internet that I've been using, but they don't get good enough scores. And when they're talking about not good enough scores, they're not being greedy. I want 800 gigabit. No, they want to be able to work from home. They want something to work reliably. We got preachers that want to be able to, send mass up to their congregation. We got people that want to work from home and need to be able to do a reliable Zoom call, that kind of thing. And their expectations really aren't that high. In fact, they're kind of in the 4G spectrum. And other people reach out to me and say, I like this, but $700 is a no-go. In fact, some people say, unliked, it's too expensive. Hey, I don't set the pricing. I reached out to Elsis. Elsis is in Brazil. And Brazil is, famous for challenges getting the internet. In fact, this company makes 2 different outdoor modems. That's their claim to fame. Some of their customers are getting signals from 22 miles away. 15 is more common, and 7.5 is totally common. That's a long distance. So this might be a good solution because what we're looking for, people want to beat the minimum for Starlink. Starlink's minimum is 25 and 5, which is quite usable. So that's what I want to say. Can I pull this card? And I've been working with Richard. I reached over to Richard. You can see Haven Technologies. And I said, help me out. Let's make something work with this one. Show me, this one should work with Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Show me how to make it work. And, he did. So, and if you buy it through this, not only, I'm going to give you a coupon code, because I also said to Elsis, help me out, guys. Give my customers less than $200. That makes it compelling. A good antenna for this device is $399, the kit. Let's make it $200 and just call it a day. Let's be able to take that SIM, put it in a radio, and pull in signal and get scores that, people deserve. So it's an outdoor unit. This thing's been around for a while. Oh, and some people might say, hey, don't buy this. 4G's going away. 4G's not going anywhere. This is a 5G modem. Guess what? It's 5G NSA. It uses 4G signal as its primary signal. It's not going anywhere. So 4G is totally cool. In fact, they're just getting rid of 2G now. So there's going to be a long life for this thing. 5G, the 5G modem that you have, that is probably pulling in as its primary signal a 4G. If it's from T-Mobile, that's exactly what it's doing. So I wanted to go ahead and take a look at this and see if it is good as what they say it is. And look at these scores. The signal level at 99%. Reference signal received power, negative 75. Wow, negative 80 is excellent. So negative 75 is even better. Signal quality, you were looking for a negative 10 is excellent. Negative 7 is off the charts. That is a great signal. This is, again, an outdoor modem. So it has I got one right here. I have one up on the roof, but this one has a reflector. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a reflector, and the unit goes up on the roof. You put your SIM inside, and it all works. I can adjust it so I can get I'm getting 20 and 20 as my bandwidth. I tried all the different bands. 66 and 4 at 1700 megahertz. They work beautiful all day long. I wanted to lock in at 1900 because that's my best bandwidth. I set my MTU size to be the appropriate one for the network that I'm using, which in this case is T-Mobile. And I just did a speed test, and I'm going to show it to you now. It got better it was better earlier, but I'm happy with the score because it meets my needs. I was looking for 25 and 5. People are paying $120 and more to get Starlink that does 25 and 5. This is 46 and 32. For the preacher that wanted to send his data up to his congregation, this is screaming. That up score is great. If you're doing a Zoom call, this is going to be fine. Teams, all of that, it's going to work beautifully. So there you go. Here, I'm going to turn on my VPN. I've tested it out a million times. I have another video on VPNs. It works beautifully with T-Mobile. And this is, T-Mobile. Hit my goal of 30 and 10. In fact, I crushed it. This is a really good signal. And, we also got a good price on it. Peter C 408, or I'll put the link down below. It'll take you right to it. And when you put it in the cart, it'll lower it to $199 for the first 100 people. I think that's great. It is an outdoor modem, and it runs 4G. It doesn't aggregate multiple channels together. That's why we're keeping the cost down. Grabs one channel and does a beautiful job with it. People do use it up to 22 miles away. 15 is normal. 7.5 is commonplace. So yeah, give this a shot. If you were happy with T-Mobile, but you're like, well, I can't even do a Zoom call because I got 4 megabit. I think 6 is really the minimum, but 10, 32 is crushing it. People are going to think you're in the office. It's going to be great. 20 megabits per second down is what you need to stream in 4K. So this is crushing it. This is more than you need to work responsibly from home, study from home. This is a great solution. This is one that is famous in Brazil and still sold in Brazil all the time. There it is at $249. Put it in the cart with my link. View cart. There. It puts in my code and brings it down to $199. Yeah, Peter C408. If it doesn't ask you for a code, go ahead, go to the next step. It will ask you for a code. And then put in Peter C408. Watch it drop to $199. And there you go, guys. Then you get Richard too. Richard comes with the deal, and he'll make it work for you no matter what you have. Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, all certified. So there you go, guys. See you in the next one. Give this thumbs up because I go with the extra mile for you guys, researching what's available, making phone calls, and setting things up, not only with manufacturers, but with resellers. So see you in the next one, guys.
Check out the new Amplimax from Elsys. Ideal for those who need internet but don't have a good quality signal. Want to know more about this super innovation? Amplimax is fast and easy. High-performance 4G internet with just 3 steps. Identify the best internet provider in your area by pressing the Easy Install key. Insert your SIM card into Amplimax. Connect computer and/or Wi-Fi router to share connection. With Amplimax, your SIM card goes further. Its efficiency is due to an integrated modem combined with a high-sensitivity antenna. This makes the product less susceptible to signal loss compared to ordinary equipment. Perfect for places without installed networks, such as mobile businesses, tourism, events, camping, and rural areas. Stay online. Connect to the world now.